As a preventive measure, a team of Imphal West Commando and Commando Mobile of Bazaar Unit, under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations Imphal West, Amarjit Lamabam, conducted cordon and search operation at Ngari Gali stretch this morning. During the operation, around 200 individuals were verified, wherein 6 individuals with no ID proof were handed over to City Police Station. Likewise, another search operation was conducted at Bora Gali, where around 150 individuals were verified and 5 individuals having no ID proof were handed over to City Police. All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU and Mass Communication Department of Manipur University jointly hosted the National Executive Committee meeting at Manipur University today. The meeting was organized under the aegis of Indian Journalists Union. Board of Secondary Education Manipur is all set to print textbooks for standard 1 to 10 for the new academic session 2019-2020. As per reports, the initiative was taken up under the guidance of Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam. Chief Minister N. Biren was awarded the Most Improved Small State for Inclusive Development by India Today State of States Conclave 2019. The award was handed over by Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar during the function. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina said that Indo-Bangla ties are at their best now. She met West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee in Kolkata yesterday. Hasina, who was on a day-long visit to the city to watch the first day's play at the historic day-night test between India and Bangladesh, said she has brought good wishes from the people of her country. An Indian citizen working in the US has been charged with fraud for causing damage to the computer systems of a former employer. According to media reports, Mayur Raleigh, aged 37, of New Jersey's Parsippany, is charged with 2 counts of committing computer fraud and abuse, each of which carries a maximum sentence of 10 years.